Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, something tells me that uMusa takes uMaNgwabe seriously when she said ukuthi uyahamba as opposed to uMayeni. Because I'm looking at his conversation that he's having with uMaNgwabe and uyazilengela bandla. It is like an animal or a person that has his tail in between his legs, the way he's lingering uMaNgwabe, and uMaNgwabe listen, hey, she's not she's not laughing at anything. But when he's having his conversations, Nomayeni is busy having attitude, Nomayeni busy raising his voice at Umayeni, maybe probably because he knows ukuthi Umayeni basuka kude and she won't leave. But listen, uMaNgwabe, guys, she has a child, right? And she left the baby daddy, or we don't really know if she left the baby daddy or the baby daddy left her or what. But I'm just saying, in my head, there's something about a woman who has a child with another man who could leave and go and get married somewhere else. For me, it just gives the type of vibes. If she could leave her baby daddy where she had something that she could have at least stayed for to work on, she could easily leave another man and find another one. I mean, for me, that's the vibes that uMaNgwabe is giving. But on tonight's episode, we see uMusa takes out uMaNgwabe out for dinner or something, and I'm saying he's taking her out because I don't see uMaNgwabe taking out uMusa to have a conversation with him. For what? Because Ukeli is like ngiyahamba mina. Anyway, uMusa there, guys, is busy saying ukuthi if uyangishiya manje, if you leave me manje, ngabe ungigilile, you would have shown me flames. I don't know what he means ukuthi make us ukuthi if uyangishiya manje ngabe ungigilile, like to say ukuthi we've maybe been through so much, and ngabegezela through stuff that you have also did to me. Because I mean, in marriage, guys, it's not you, like, as the man you do wrong things, as the woman you do wrong things. So that's just how marriage is. But we see her saying in her diary session, we see Umbali saying in her diary session, mina feeling ngathi umoshela isikhathi nje. Yes, Kelly, yeah, but she feels like uMusa umoshela isikhathi, like to say, like him even begging me here, he is just wasting my time. I'm just like, this girl is enjoying every second of it, seeing uMusa begging there. But I'm just like, Yazin, I'm looking at uMusa there on the screen and I'm feeling sorry for him because, the way uyamazi-ke uMusa-ke ukuthi when he cries his crocodile tears, I'm feeling sorry for him there. But I'm just like, where Lorna, you accept the apology, wax namhlanje nje. He goes back, he does his own things, or he does the same things. I mean, that's what all of the wives are crying about. With this person, ukolisa, was ukolisa. But changing his ways, that's really the issue. But I do see her staying, guys, the way uMusa's trying. Haimo, the way he's trying. Hi guys, anyway, all the best to him. Let's see how that meeting goes tonight on Uthando Nesthembu. You guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.